In this video, we will make a procedural planet generator with geometry nodes in the Blender. First, add an object and add a geometry node to it. Add a UV sphere to the geometry output. This is the base of the planet. Add a join geometry node after it. Now we will look at how to make the land of the planet. Add an ICO sphere and join it to join the geometry. Add a set position after it and join it to geometry of it. Join set position to join geometry. Add a Voronoi texture. Add a color ramp after it. Add a multiplication math node after it. Add a subtraction math node after it. Add a position node. Add a vector math node. Join position and subtract node. Join it to offset position. Set the scale of Voronoi to 2. Set subdivision of ICO sphere to 6. Set multiplication to 0.975 and subtraction to 0.950. Now we will look at how to make clouds. Add an ICO sphere. Add a set position after it. Set the radius to 0.9. Add a Musgrave texture. Add a color ramp after it. Add a multiply math node after it. Add a subtraction math node after it. Add a vector math node after it. Join the math node. Add a position node. Join it to the vector math node. Set vector math to multiply. Adjust the system as shown in the video. Set the scale of Voronoi to 2.5. Now we will look at how to make the atmosphere of the planet. Add a transform node after the UV sphere at the bottom. Add a value node and join to the scale of the transform node. Set the value to 1.05. Now we will look at materials. Add set material to every line joining to join geometry. I have made a few materials already. Make sure you are in cycles to make these materials work out. For the atmosphere, add a principal volume with a density of 1 and emission of 0.7. Set the emission color to something like blue. For the cloud, copy the system shown in the video. For the land, copy the system shown in the video. Adjust the multiplication to adjust the color. For water, I have used of value of hash frame divided by 500 joined it to Musgrave and Voronoi texture. Then multiply the Voronoi by 1.5. Then add Musgrave to multiplied value. Then join it to bump with the strength of 0.12. Then join it to normal. Thanks for watching the video. Consider subscribing if you liked the video.